HVAC interview question. Hard level, 5. Link here. Question 1. Which of the following cycles uses air as the refrigerant? Ericsson, Bell-Coleman, Stirling, Carnot. To get answer, try like a real online exam. Click the below link given in description. Question 2. The temperature limits of a heat pump cycle are plus 27 degrees C and minus 23 degrees Celsius, then the Carnot COP will be 0.2, 1.2, 5, 6. Question 3. A definite area or space where thermodynamic process takes place is known as thermodynamic cycle, thermodynamic law, thermodynamic system, thermodynamic process. Question 4. The gas would never liquefy if the temperature is critical temperature, above the critical temperature, above the superheated temperature, below the subcooled temperature. Question 5. Reduced ambient air refrigeration system operates with 2 cooling turbines, 3 cooling turbines, 1 cooling turbine, 4 cooling turbines. Question 6. 1.0 ton of refrigeration is equal to 50 kilocalories per minute, 50 kcal/hr, 80 kilocalories per minute, 80 kcal/hr. Question 7. A bootstrap air refrigeration cycle has 1 compressor and 1 fan, 2 compressors and 1 fan, 1 compressor and not any fan, 2 compressors and not any fan. Question 8. Dry ice refrigeration process uses dry air, pure water, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Question 9. A cold storage is to be maintained at 5 degrees Celsius while the surroundings are at 35 degrees Celsius. The heat leakage from the surroundings into the cold storage is estimated to be 29 kilowatts. The actual COP of the refrigeration plant used is 1/3 that of an ideal plant working between the same temperatures. Find the power required to drive the plant. 11.58 kJ/s, 12.98 kJ/s, 12.90 kJ/s, 10.98 kJ/s. Question 10. There are no refrigerators operates based on reversed Carnot cycle because it is less efficient, it is uneconomical. Isentropic portions of cycle require low speeds, whereas isothermal portions require high speeds. Isentropic portions of cycle require high speeds, whereas isothermal portions require low speeds.